PK Toys Buddies!
Where are you? Yeah, where are you?
Squirtle Searching. No more bushfire. From the last episode. Oh no, we still have bushfires. Pika pika! Pika pika! Pika pika!
You mean to find your friend Squirtle?
Let's go with Pikachu to find Squirtle.
Okay.
Do you reckon we can find Squirtle there? Nanny, can I go there?
Okay, you can go.
Squirtle, where are you? Squirtle, where are you? See anything?
This is relaxing.
You find anything, Pikachu?
No, Pika Pika. Hey, you find anything? Don't think so. Pika Pika.
Pikachu, where are you? Squirtle, you there? Jasper, stop dancing. Go find Squirtle.
Bye, I shall be now.
And we're going to slide. Pikachu, where are you?
Soccer is my favorite game. Pika Pika, I don't think Squirtle is here. Okay.
Kingpin, let's have fun there.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
It's fun. Let's go again.
I think they forgot their mission. How can they forget? Okay, let's call it a day.
Pika pika!
Yay! Finally raining. We need more. So the bushfires can be dead. So we're all safe.
Jasper, Squirtle's there. Let's catch it.
Oh, Squirtle, you're here. We found you. Yay! Thanks for the rain, Squirtle.
Squirtle, can you please give us some more rain? Please, please. We need more rain. Please.
I can't give you more rain. You need to find a solution yourself.
Are these for us? Is it the solution? You can change the world. Looking after our planet. Discover global warming and climate change. Burning Earth is just like us now. I think we can find a solution here.
Yes, everyone needs to do something good to change the world.
Jasper, can you recycle this paper, please?
Okay.
Into recycling them. Hiyo. Good, now I'm done. Now I can put this in the compost bin to make more soil. All these food scraps can be used to put in the compost to make more soil.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe us.
Okay, no more food waste. And grow more trees to start our Better World mission. Let us all be our heroes to save our Earth.